Before the video starts, 53% of you are not subscribed, so subscribe and enjoy the video.
I got broads in Atlanta.
Welcome to my first tutorial video, and today we're just gonna show you guys how to stream on mobile using StreamLabs. And yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions and comments and things like that, how to stream on StreamLabs and how to live stream, etc. So if you guys want more of these videos, comment down below in the description. Thank you guys for 900 subscribers. And if you guys are new, subscribe and hit that like button right here. Also, guys, comment down below if you guys want a face cam or not. I personally like it, but it is pretty big. So first you have to download it in the Play Store or the Apple Store. You should have it for Apple Store and Android. Doesn't matter. Click on StreamLabs. So I'm guessing a lot of people have trouble streaming. So you have to go to Editor. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible, so I don't have to waste too much time. So you go to Editor right here. You could mess around with the other things like the alert profiles, events, buddy mode, things like that. I personally don't do that, but I go to Editor. You could change things like that, like a sub count, things like that. Like you can move the size and things like that. And you could add this. You don't have to, but click on right here. There should be like a line and an arrow and two lines, and you click on that. It should say layers. You can click on the plus sign down below, plus sign, and once you click on that, you could add widget. You could add text, images. You could add your own camera, like a face cam, things like that. So I'm gonna show you guys what they do. You could add a widget, Streamlabs, or you can make your own as well using a custom link or something. You could add spin the wheels, things like that, and pops up on the screen, things like that. It's kind of sick. I like it. It's really unique. So for the other ones, you could add your own text, images. For images, I like it. You could add it has your own face cam and things like that. And when you click on the plus sign, you have to click add screen. So I'm not gonna click it. Actually, I will, but you have to press. I'm gonna press cancel because I don't want to stream right now. And when you press start, it's not gonna start broadcasting or live streaming or anything like that. This box right here, I'm shaking it. You have to move it like this, and it should show all your screen. Then you press the check mark right there for get save, and look, it saves everything. Click on the big red button. Also down below, there's a microphone so you can turn it on and off. And you click on the big red button. It should say go live on YouTube. You could go live on Mixer, Twitch, etc. I personally go on YouTube, and you could press. So for some reason, some of these don't work. I don't know why. They just don't. I'm guessing because Streamlabs is still working on it, and it's like a beta version, I guess. But you click on any one until they work. So you could click on anything right here until it starts streaming, and it should tell you in the corner when you're live or something like that. And once you're live, it's gonna show everything on your screen. So I would block notifications and things like that for nobody can message you and call you for the phone number can pop up on the screen. But personally, for me, at the bottom it should say create event, and it should say create a new broadcast and starts immediately. It works for me, that one, but the other ones don't for some reason. So you can click on that. It also it changes my stream to unlisted, so I could change the title and things like that before people join, and later I could change it back to public. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. If you guys enjoy these, comment down below. Guys want a face cam, comment down below as well in the description. And yeah, if you guys want me to make more tutorial videos, tell me yes and what you want me to do next. And yeah, thank you guys for 900 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, and peace.